Good afternoon, my name is John, I'm with Acer EMEA, and today we are in the Acer Lounge at the Hard Rock Hotel CES Las Vegas 2018. Meet our new Swift 7, the world's thinnest laptop in the world, measuring less than 9 millimeters of Z height. So you can see that it's incredibly thin on the sides, both sides. It is lighter and thinner than our current Swift 7, which was, let's say, the world's thinnest laptop before this one arrived. But despite shaving off 1 millimeter of the Z height, we managed to put a touch panel in this one, 14-inch Full HD IPS touch panel. We managed to fix one of the little issues that we experienced on Swift 7, that it did not come with a backlit keyboard. So this product comes with a backlit keyboard. Nice oversized touchpad, nicely positioned in the middle, symmetric, is very nice. An embedded fingerprint reader for Windows Hello. And on the sides you will see that, obviously due to the fact that it's very thin, we have only two USB 3.1s here, one with power delivery, while on the other side we have an on-off button and a nano SIM slot, which is another novelty of this product. So we have embedded 4G LTE connectivity in this product with an eSIM which is embedded in the unit, with a Transitel profile, 1 GB of traffic. But for people or countries where the Transitel does not work, we have also embedded a nano SIM slot where you can embed your own nano SIM. Under the hood of the Swift 7 we have a Core i7 7th generation Kaby Lake Y, so the ultra low voltage CPU, which makes the product fanless. On top we have up to 8 gig or 16 gig of storage and a 256 PCI Express SSD on this product. Panel wise, we have embedded a 14-inch panel in a 13-inch form frame. So we have a nice Full HD IPS panel with touch capability. So another novelty is that 100% of this product will come with touch, with fingerprint, with LTE, and a very nice form factor, very thin on the sides. One little thingy here is the bar here that we embedded to make sure that the wireless connectivity is always up to speed. So the antennae are let's say below here to make sure that the signal is not interrupted by the metal body of the Swift 7. Last but not least, the product is coming with a battery guaranteeing or capable of delivering up to 12 hours of battery life. Price point is expected to be in the range of $69.9, depending on the country, depending on the configuration. And this product will start shipping in Q1 end and available on shelves from Q2 beginning.